You definitely don't want to lose viewers due to a slow loading website. For that, we're going to need a CDN and a cache plugin. But what if I show you a deal that has both of these combinations into one? It's called NitroPack, and they have a free version that you can use on your website. So let's go check this out right now. What's up, SaaS Masters? Like I said, I'm going to show you NitroPack, and I've already installed it on my demo site, and I am getting a load time of less than 1 second. To be exact, 800 millisecond load time. So that's less than a second. Now, this is demo site where I've tested it. This is my landing page, and this is where I'm getting 800 millisecond load time on this page. So if you have it well optimized, it's going to load in less than a second. Now, like I said, I'm using NitroPack, and they have a free forever plan that you want to check out. So if you have a site that has low traffic, this will be more than enough. But if you have a lot of traffic, jump into the paid plans. But there you go. Check out the link in the description. Now, how easy is it to actually use NitroPack? So NitroPack is available for several types of CMS, including WordPress, WooCommerce, or just plain old code to use on any site. Now, in this case, to install it, go ahead in the plugins, add new, search for NitroPack. Go ahead and install it and activate it. It's this one right here, NitroPack. Once you have it installed, you're going to view it here in the settings, NitroPack, but most of the settings are going to be on the page. So this is a quick view of NitroPack, but the true power is over here on the website. So once you log in this case, let me go ahead and use it here. You're going to have all the details here for settings, your dashboard, your analytics, and everything right here. Okay. First of all, you're going to view your dashboard with the service results. So in this case, cache hit 100% ratio. That means the whole site is cached. The cache size for this site, minutes ago, 9 minutes, optimization status. And you have some quick actions here. You can do cache warm up, which is what I would recommend, especially for sites that don't have a lot of pages. That means that it doesn't have to wait for someone to view the page to actually cache it. In this case, with the warm up, it's going to cache those beforehand. Now, caching means that it's going to have the files ready to serve because it's been cached previously. Plus, remember, it has CDN, which is Content Delivery Network. So if someone is viewing this from different parts of the world, it's going to load quickly from that CDN. That's also included even on the free plan. Okay. So I'm in the free subscription plan, which is the free one, and I'll view the service usage log from here. Now I can view my cache insights right here. So more in depth to here, more in-depth information, page optimization status. You can see that these pages have been optimized already. My analytics, I can use cache API, resource usage, and connector. But here is the beauty of a NitroPack. So first of all, you have the optimization modes, which you can also view on your WordPress plugin. But in this case, I'll do it from here. So you can use standard, medium, strong, or luxurious, and custom. That means it's going to be how much optimization is it going to do on your site. Now, it's always a great idea to, if you're going to use the strongest one, check your site that everything's working fine. If you have a login system, check that everything works fine, that everything's loading okay, your animations. And if not, you're going to need some tweaking. Okay. Now, for the general settings, you got your test mode in case you want to do some testing by your own without the cache. All you have to do is add this to the end in the link, and you'll view previews of your site without caching. Okay. Speed Insider and no queries. There's a lot of options here where you can exclude some things to be cached in case it's conflicting with other plugins. That is possible. You got your caching options. So improve server response time in case, we want to turn that on. Minify resources, yes. Optimize only URLs, exclude URLs. So if you want to exclude something, cache Ajax, ignore parameters. You got a lot of settings here for a cache. Okay. Next, we have fonts if you want to do that also. Images, so image optimization. Yes, we do want that. Unless you're using a dedicated image optimizer. If not, use this. And then you have your adjustments for the image quality. So if you want to display faster your site and you don't have an issue with lowering the quality of the image, go ahead and use this. Okay. Then we have the automatic image lazy load. Turn that on. Additional image. So specify any custom DOM elements. I can turn that on. Now remember, this is all in the free plan. Okay. The HTML settings. So minify HTML. Yes. Keep HTML comments. I'll keep that off. CSS. Okay. We want to optimize that. We can also reduce the unused CSS. So when it comes to Google PageSpeed, Google loves for you to not load things that you're not going to need. So this is going to reduce the unused CSS. Remember, there's additional options if you need to exclude some of the things so it doesn't reduce it, because you might actually need it. It won't detect it sometimes, okay? And then you got combined CSS, which is also a good idea. So you don't have a lot of CSS file. It's going to turn them into less files, okay? Custom CSS and the JS, which is the JavaScript. Again, you can combine JS into one resource. Everything that you do right here, remember, turn on, test your site that everything's working fine and leave it on. If not, you'll need to do some tweaking for excluding. Revoke render blocking, delay scripts, optimize ads, minify JSON. Do not optimize opt-in monster scripts. So that's in case you're using opt-in monster, but if not, then don't even try it. Don't test it out, okay? So that's for the cache settings. And then you got your integrations over here for this plugin, which you can integrate with Cloudflare, which I use Cloudflare, so I would use these settings. You're using security or Nginx, okay? So all those settings for NitroPack. I think it's a steal, especially for lower volume sites that don't even need to jump into a paid plan. I mean, that's a steal if you're going to get this for free. Remember, this free plan is as of this video, so that means it will change in the future because obviously, well, that's how things go, right? But for now, they have a free plan that you might want to test out and jump and grab it, okay? So add it to your site, do your test, check your page speeds, and they should improve because remember, it's caching and it's using CDN, so it's basically going to improve. Guaranteed if you're not using a cache plugin or a CDN. But there you go. That is NitroPack. If you want to grab it, link will be provided in the description. So you can go ahead and grab it from there or just go into the plugins and add it from there. But there you go. That is NitroPack, and that's a wrap.